Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. Today I'm working on the box bedroom. This little bedroom is tiny and currently in the middle of it is my bath. To me it reminds me of a sarcophagus in Egypt. The empty sarcophagus that you have, sarcophagi is it, that you have in the pyramids where the lid's been either broken or robbed or both and there's no mummy left in it. So my sarcophagus is full of the free tongue and groove I got from a neighbour. I've just cleared this wall because everything was stacked up against it. I bitumened it months ago because and the corner here as well, because the damp kept coming through. I found out the source of the damp was the gutters, because I had the gutters replaced outside this window and there was a gap all along it, you know, where the bricks were, so there was mortar missing. So I had someone do all the mortaring because I couldn't quite reach because I'm not tall enough, so that seemed to have stopped it. So it's had months to dry out. I've had to put the bitumen on just to seal it anyway. I've got some wood here. It's tannelised, so it's like it can withstand dodgy weather. So I thought if it can stand weather, it can withstand an old house. My house was built in 1908, so it's Edwardian, a little terraced house. And because this bedroom's got two external walls, this wall and the window wall, it's prone to damp because it's two walls that are facing the exterior. So I've bought some Kingspan insulating foam sheets. I don't know if you can see. So it's quite thick. I think it's 2 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to batten out a wood frame along this wall, put a piece of insulation between two pieces, and then I'm going to have to trim down another piece because I've got 2 big pieces there to go that side. And then once that's in situ, I'm going to screw the plasterboard to the wood battening. And then I can put some tongue and groove up. So I'm only going to have the tongue and groove halfway up. I need to buy a dado rail, and then above the dado rail will be some wallpaper that I bought from the charity shop. I think it was £2. Yeah, and this wall will just have tongue and groove halfway up and all along the window wall. So there's not much to do there under the window wall. And then the bath will be empty. There's some books underneath because I've just got rafts of books at the moment I'm trying to clear. Because I hope to downsize soon. So yeah, I'm just getting on with this because I can't carry on with the bathroom at the moment because I'm waiting for another tub of grout because I've run out of grout. So yeah, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the bathroom. So this is the tongue and groove wall that I'm going to paint white. I need to buy a dado rail, paint above it in white. And these are the marble tiles. I put a piece of wood above the window. The wood come from an old chest of drawers. I've got a different colour tile here, plain grey. And as you can see, I ran out of grout there, and I need some at the bottom there by the toilet as well to fill, and all along the top needs grouting. This wall here, the door wall, is done. So the tiles just need another clean, even though the grouting's all done. It still feels a little bit rough because there's still a little bit of grout on it. So like, once all the room's done, I'll go over the whole lot. And as you can see, my spare chair is totally trashed, along with the floor. But you know, I feel like I'm making progress now. So I've just ordered the grout today. Should be here by Tuesday, Wednesday. So I can finish these little bits there and along the ceiling. But at least this wall's been done, and then I can paint this wall. And I bought a nice Venetian blind. It's wood look, it's white. So I need to paint the tongue and groove, the skirting boards and the window frame and this piece of wood here, and the door frame here, and I've bought a reclaimed pine door, an Edwardian door to go here because I hate these plasticky doors. It's because I've been slowly but surely replacing the doors. So I was surprised to find a door this small, and the same seller who was on eBay sold me a door to go here in the box room as well, so I was really pleased about that. So yeah, lots to do, and I need to crack on with it. I keep stalling this. I've got a bed in the other bedroom, a metal frame one, and a carpet, an underlay, and a bedside, and a bookcase, so they're going all in here. And it's going to look sort of like cottagecore, very cottagey. And these are the curtains. I've got them tied up at the moment to keep the ends clean, but I'll probably end up spinning the washing machine. Don't know if you can see. So it's like white background and like a water wash. Flowers, leaves in blue and green. So I've got a blue wallpaper and I've got blue bedding. So this room's trashed. Everywhere's just a mess at the moment, so I just need to get on with it because it's annoying me because everywhere's got mess. Because look, this is my, I don't know if you can see, put the light on. This is the bookcase that's going in the room. I'm going to put tongue and groove at the back of this because the back's fallen off and it looks ugly. I'm debating whether to paint it or just leave it the wood. I'll probably leave the wood, you know. This is my dining table with the legs off, so that's going to go in the living room when my son moves up here because my son's using the living room as his bedroom at the moment. So as you can see, everything's in chaos. So this is the room my son's going to end up in. This ceiling wall here needs a plaster knocking off. You can't see in this light, but it's all lumpty bumpty. Some of it's coming off. And the same for this wall here, so that'll be plasterboarded as well. And this is the bed, but you can barely see it because it's got the carpet, the underlay, my son's old teddy bear in it. And this is the oak door that's going to go under the sink downstairs. I'm going to put that on last because I'm worried about water damage, so I want it to look pretty. And this is a quilted bed throw that's going to go in the box room. It's pillow shams and a bedspread, all different patterns in blue. I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. And goes with the blue theme. So yeah, so I've got the stuff to do everything, it's just doing it. So yeah, so as you can see, this is where my toilet and my sink is reside, in the toilet and 2 boxes in the sink and other little bits of stuff there. So yeah, and there's a big mirror I picked up on eBay, so I'm debating whether to put it in the bedroom or the bathroom. I haven't made my mind up yet. And these are the reclaimed doors I've got off eBay. One for the box bedroom and one for the bathroom. Original doors that are being stripped and got the 4 panels and just look really pretty. So these are the reproduction ones I bought for everywhere else new. So you can see they're very similar. And I've put porcelain door push plates on and even rim locks, so just to make it look in keeping with the age and style of the house. I think you can have it looking modern, but I think if you've got some traditional features as well, keep hold of them, don't get rid of them. Like in this hallway here, I've put a dado rail up myself. I put the ceiling rose up myself. Just to keep it, you know, all in keeping. This rail needs stripping. It's all peeling. Probably because I'm always throwing washing on. As you can see, it's my son's trousers, it's all peeling. I've made a start on the new post here. I've done the rail down there and start on the new post down there. So I'm slowly but surely getting there. Yeah. So well, let's have one final look at the box bedroom so you can see the before. Oh, there's this fly buzzing around. I've been chasing it all morning. So I've got the windows open, but I need the air. So I'm going to screw these, hopefully get some of this wood up today, the battens. So I'll give you an update probably sometime next week. So bye for now, and let me know what you think. And if you're doing any DIY jobs or any renovations, I'd be really interested to know. I'm just trying to cut costs where I can. Like picking up this tongue and groove last year from a neighbour. And like the doors I bought second hand cheap on eBay. This is the bath. You can't really tell it's a roll top bath. Bought that on sale. I had a voucher and I used top cash back as well. So everywhere I could save a little bit of money, I did. It's going to be a tight squeeze with this bath. I'm beginning to wonder if it'll fit at all now, and I'll be like, I hope it does. So yeah. So if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what DIY you're doing to save money too, because I just can't afford to get workmen in. I'll get a workman in to plumb in the sink and the toilet and the bath, because my hands are too done in at the moment. See the fly then? Because my hands are too done in now with the arthritis. So bye for now, and see you soon, hopefully.